Yo, what's good, guys? I'm going to be going over how I caught this L today on NQ, and I want to let you guys know that losing is okay and it happens. So, yeah, let's see how I lost $6,000 on NQ. And guess what? This might seem like a big number, but I stuck to my risk. I lost around $500 on each of my accounts, and I'm not tripping about it. That's what I risk every single day. I stuck to it, took this loss, and then walked away. So yeah, let's get into this trade. All right, guys, on the hourly time frame, let's do some analysis. I like to just like look at the DOLs in the higher time frame. And getting to the day, what do I mark out? I mark out this high here. We have this high resting above. We have this high here, and then also we have this high here. And then what do we have below? My indicator already marks it out. We have Asia low resting below. We have this 4-hour gap. And the two scenarios I like to see here, I would either like to see us come down, grab Asia low, get a reaction, and continue towards these higher DOLs. Or I would like us to come up, grab all of these highs, respect this daily fair value gap, and get a clean delivery towards that Asia low. That's my two scenarios for today. I feel like both of those make a lot of sense and they could happen. So getting in this day, I'm relatively neutral, and I would like to see either level get hit and then get a clear reaction towards the other DOL. Sorry if you guys hear stuff in the background. My siblings are literally insane. All right, playing out market open. What do? We just rip up like crazy. Let's play this out. We rip up around 250 points, and honestly, with this giant displacement up, I probably should have been more bullish on the day. But what did we do? Let me tell you guys why I took a short. We perfectly grabbed this high, and we perfectly grabbed this high. Honestly, is this a liquidity sweep? We formed equal highs. I think it is, but that's up to you guys. I think it's a confluence. We grabbed all these highs and then we get a reaction out of that. So on the 30-second time frame, what do we get here? We get this inversion fair value gap. Also, we got this change in state of delivery. It's already marked out with my indicator. Here, you guys can see it right here. So we got that change in state of delivery. We got the inversion fair value gap, and we have DOLs below. We have that Asia, and then we have these lows here. And taking this trade, I took my short around here, stop loss at the high, take profit. I targeted around my DOL for this. I like to play it safe. It was like this low, but I just wanted to play it safe, so I put my TP around like just around here, just for that calm 1.5R, super safe. And yeah, I really expected this to play out. The price action ended up being super choppy. As you guys can see, we chopped in my trade, edge my stop loss, gave me hope for a second, and then yeah, we just ran and stopped me out. That's the trade. I'd say the idea is pretty good. I was just super neutral on the day, and we grabbed all the bullish DOLs. Like if we go on the hourly time frame and look to the left, but aside from this high, like we're in a giant gap, like we're in this giant leg down. So I just like to be cautious with that. And also a big thing for me was ES was super bearish compared to NQ. So this is what ES was looking like on the 30-minute. ES was way lower. So you guys can see we're in this big gap on ES. We seem to be getting rejection. We have these lows over here to the left versus NQ. You guys can see we swept these highs. We're in that daily gap. So I really expected us to just fall here and to get that crazy displacement down. I feel like this is the perfect condition for us to do that. I've seen it happen time and time again. And am I mad about this loss? Literally not at all. Like this happens. Like I would literally watch this exact scenario play out all the time. And sure, some trading gurus online, they're probably going to say like, oh, if you took this, you're a retard or something like that, you know? But if it played out, they'd be like, if you didn't take this, you're blind. You know what I mean? Like a lot of influencers just show the winning trades. They'll have like multiple accounts or fake accounts or paper trades, whatever. But I'm just going to be transparent. Took this loss, and yeah, am I mad about it? No, I walked away, and you know, that's what separates a profitable trader from an unprofitable trader. I can step away after a loss and I can stick to my risk, stick to my model. And guess what? Me versus an unprofitable trader. What's the unprofitable trader doing? He probably entered a long or a short directly after this, just revenge trading, can't accept the loss, ends up blowing the account in the same day. You guys need to focus on the long-term game, focus on the long-term results, and stop looking at the money, bro. I have too many of you guys asking, what should I do for a buffer? How much money should I make on my account? Bro, stop looking at the money and just trade. Take high quality setups, and in the blink of an eye, after a week or two, you're going to be eligible for a payout. Like it just comes with time. So focus on trade quality and focus on the process. Screw the money and screw everything else. Literally just focus on one thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.